Why ask me? Uh, Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're jumping into the world of Hairdorables Kaleidoscope series. Now, I was able to find both of these girls from BJ's Warehouse. So it seems like the Hairdorables brand is being spread out in different locations. And as you can see today, I have Sallie and Rayne. Rayne in her packaging, so you can see a look around at Rayne. And this is her artwork. She looks so cute. They kind of, like the artwork kind of reminds me of futuristic rock and roll. You know, that's what it kind of gives me. So that's Rayne. And then Sallie also gives me like the futuristic club look around at her box, and then on the back of her packaging you can see her artwork, which looks so cute. Now, some of the fashion pieces, I may end up changing them around, but that's enough talking. Let's get these girls out of packaging. All right, we are here to take a closer look at Rayne and her accessories. You can see she comes with these really cool glasses. Everything has this kind of iridescent kaleidoscope kind of feel. What I love about these heels that I'm going to show you guys is that the heel at the bottom is removable. So the skate is removable. You can wear it as a heel or a skate. She comes with a sun visor, a stand. Her purse actually turns into a kaleidoscope. She comes with a cool brush, and then we have the doll over here. And this is her outfit. We're going to take a closer look at this. I just wanted to give you guys an up close look at everything. So right now we are here with Sallie, and we are looking over her pieces. Now, Sallie comes with these flat heels. They don't have any rollers or anything at the bottom. She comes with this hat, and this hat actually wasn't in her promo art. We're going to talk about that. She comes with these interesting earrings, these cool glasses, this pink can, which is her purse, and also her kaleidoscope piece. She comes with a comb and a stand. And here's a close-up look at Sallie. We're gonna look her over. I already felt out of the packaging this skirt is a nice quality piece. Here we are with our homegirl Sallie. Yes, Sallie looks a hot mess to me. I'm not even gonna lie. This is her with all her accessories on, y'all. I'm not impressed, y'all. I am not impressed, but I do have a very creative mindset. So I do plan on maybe removing some of these pieces and everything like that. Her purse just fell. So this is the kaleidoscope effect. Let's see if we can, I don't know, where can we look through it at? This is the kaleidoscope effect. It's like a bucket of paint. It's her kaleidoscope effect. So looking her over, she has on this hat, which was not in her artwork. This is definitely a recycled piece. That was not in her artwork. These shades, they're giving an illusion of, but you know what? I'm gonna do this for you. Bam. So you guys can kind of get a look at that face up. Her earrings, okay, you know, I'm a girl for a bang hold, so you know, I'll let it go. I wish it was just a heavy hoop. You know, it's cool. Her hair is good quality. It's white and it has this like blue streak in it. It's giving. I'm not saying that it's not giving, but looking at her, you know, I just don't get the appeal of the this jacket. I mean, it just is a bit much because her outfit gives me like futuristic club kid, you know, but then this gives me a moo. So you know, I just want to take that off, and we also can get a better look at her articulation. So now you can kind of see this kind of gives me more of a futuristic kind of club kid kind of look, you know. So her top is definitely giving me digital Ferris wheel. It does have a heart in the middle. Her skirt, I really like this piece. It's a quality piece, and I like the design. Her stockings are actually nice thick quality too. For Hairdorables, I was surprised. Her shoes, they're not giving. But as far as articulation goes, I do love that these dolls do come with articulated heads, shoulders, elbows, wrists. They have hip movement and they also have knee articulation. Rayne, yes, Rayne look like, welcome to the e-body, yes. She said, somebody give me a drink and know that I'm not sitting next to Bobby. Yes, how you doing, boo? She looks so cute. I wish all of them came with skates and like these kind of kaleidoscope type of heels. I wish who makes these? I forgot. I threw the boxes away. Listen, y'all should have made everybody shoes like this. And the fact that the shoe, look at this. The heel is a detachable. So you don't have to wear it with it's a detachable. But if you want, you could also attach it back. It's like so interesting to me because the reason that it's interesting is because a few months back, people were speculating online that this brand was done. A lot of people thought, because once they came out with those budget dolls, they thought this brand was done. But looking her over, it gives me very much so a lot of tease. This is her purse, which is also her kaleidoscope effects. We're just gonna sit that down. I'm loving her outfit, which also gives me futuristic club kid. I'm telling you, futuristic club kid. That's what it's giving me, futuristic club kid. Yes. That's what it's giving me. I'm loving it. I'm loving this mini fur. Very much so giving me Bratz. I feel like one of my Bratz dolls could definitely fit this. I'm loving her earrings. Her earrings are giving me triangular justice. So, I can respect her. I'm loving her shades. They're definitely giving me like maybe some type of cat eye realness. But the thing is, like, the shades are so big and then the face is so big and, And as far as the articulation goes, it is the same. I love this top. Get into this. This top has a stretchy... Let me see. Is this Velcro? Yes. Oh, the tops are Velcro, but the bottoms are not. Nice. Her hair is a nice material, but the rooting... Let's get into her rooting. Now, the other girl, I couldn't tell as much because her scalp is white too, but this one I can kind of see because it kind of feels like a thicker one. You know who this hair reminds me of? Amaya Rayne from Rainbow High. I love these glasses on her. Let me show you guys her face without the glasses on. So this is her face without the glasses, and she also did not come with the same headset that she's supposed to come with in her pictures. This, I don't know what this is. It's just a white type of hat. Okay. But in their pictures, they came with these dynamic looking things. Like she came with these bunny ears. Now her hair does feature these two buns in the back. But I still kind of wanted the bunny feature. So, I don't know. You know me. So what are my overall thoughts on these girls? Well, my overall thoughts is they're cool, especially from a collector's point, because a lot of people were speculating that the line may have been gone dead, that the line may have gone south. So this is good for collectors who really wanted to know what was going on with the brand, because sometimes these brands won't respond in the DMs. So releasing this was good enough. Who's my favorite out of the two? I like them both equally, which is a good and bad thing, because I'm not that impressed. Like, I'm semi-impressed because they kind of give me like club girl vibes, like, hey, let's go to the party. But like I said, the only cons is I wish both of them came with like these kaleidoscope type shoes. I wish everyone came with that. That's really it, because the articulation is good and everything is good. Right now, these are $19.99 at BG's. If you wait it out, I'm sure you're going to find them discounted, but this is what they're going for right now. So if you're interested, these girls are out there. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!